Hello everyone, this is Mukundan Raghavan and today we are going to see or explore the bot from the Google. Bot has been for a long time, however in recent times we have the plugins also, which means that we can interact with the different Google services. Let's explore and see. First of all, we will navigate to the bot.google.com and here you can see the prompt window where you can just type @ and you can see all the plugins that you can interact. Example, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps and YouTube. However, if you don't see all these options, if you just look for the plugins at the top, there will be extensions or plugins. There you can give the permission to all the Google services. Just go to the new chat and let's see the first one, which is Gmail. Let me ask, what is the recent mail from Zerodha? You can see all the mails from the Zerodha and recent one was September 28th. I can see that. And next one, let's ask some other question. Again, @ Gmail, and did I pay insurance bill this month? It will access all our Gmails and it will try to give the answer. Yes, I paid on October 1st. Okay, fine. Now let's try something else. Let's go to the Google Drive. List out all your related images in my drive. Here you can see some of the examples. Okay, however, it's not giving directly the correct images. It is giving one PDF, which may not be correct. Let's go to ask again, Google Drive. Show me all Python related files in my drive. So in my drive would be greater one because it will try to see all the public Google Drives. Okay, here you can see a Python related files from my drive, and it is giving directly the link also. For example, here you can see using.pdf, which may not be looking like a Python file, but if you open that, you will come to know which is a Python file, Python setup and usage. So basically it is accessing all the Google Drive documents for the given prompt. Let's explore something on the Google Maps. Show me nearby petrol banks. So it's showing all the nearby petrol bunks and its map also. And if I click on that links, it will open the specific URL. Bharat Petrol Bank. Okay, let me ask something else from the YouTube. Because in YouTube, if you go, there will be a lot of videos. Either you will be distracted or you will be confused which one to choose. Let me ask, show me videos on. Let me take something Azure ML. So here you can see all the links and the videos also. From here itself you can directly play and see. However, it will give very less distraction, because if you go to the YouTube, there may be a chances you will go into the different videos. Here you can directly see in the single chart itself. Let's try something else. This time let's go to the hotels. I want to stay in Bangalore for 5 days. Here you can see all the information and its links also. Probably it's giving the images also and its prices also. So directly you can see the images. Even you can click that, it will open the web page for that. Okay, now let me go to the flights, Google Flights. What is the minimum cost to travel Japan? Okay, there are a lot of information and the links also and its price and how many stops, everything, just like a Google search. Because as you know that this bot will be real time, that means that it will be directly searching for you in the real time in the browser or in the Google search engine. So for example, if I just click this, it will open that link and you can see all the information again in detailed way. So like this, we have a lot of plugins. We can see YouTube, we can see the Google Flights, Hotel, Google Drive, Google Docs. Let me ask something. Can you create document for me on, let's say, Rust programming language? Here share and export is there. Let me see. See, here you can see you can draft into the mail or you can just export to the docs. If I click on export to docs, it will be creating the document for you. Or if I want to send us a mail, again I can do the same thing. So here you can see open docs and it will open another tab, and here you can see every information has been converted into the Google Docs. The same way, even you can draft your mail also. For example, draft a mail professionally to ask for salary hike. I would have given Gmail. Let's see how it goes. So here entire content has been there and it has been given some information also. Again, if you click that, you can just click on draft in Gmail. Open Gmail and you can directly seamless connection between the bot and Gmail. Directly you can see all the content inside your drafted mail. And from here itself you can check your response also. That is also fine. And what else? Let me explore some other extensions, see if it is anything else.
It's hard to make an idea come to life.
Okay, some information about the extensions. Okay, I can see only few extensions as of now. Let's see in the future we may have the new things. But when compared to the ChatGPT, we have a lot of plugins here directly. Since we have already accounts in Gmail or YouTube or let's say the Google Hotels, Google Maps, it's very easy to interact with these things. And obviously other plugins will be coming into the future. And one more thing is like you can see the images also inside the chart, and you will be having the real-time messages or real-time information. So that's the beauty about the bot. So this is all about this video, and this is all about the bot integration with the other plugins such as the Gmail, YouTube, and Google Maps and Google Flights and Google Hotels. Thank you everyone, and always be a rainbow in others' cloud.